Welcome to this quick walkthrough of the brand overview report in Waikay. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what this report tells you and how you can use it to understand how AI models like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Sonar view your brand. We'll use ClickUp.com as our example. When you first open the brand overview for a project, the first thing you will see is the AI knowledge score. This is a number between 0 and 100 that shows how well AI models understand your brand's key topics and how closely that matches the real content on your site. This score is based on a comparison between two knowledge graphs. One graph is built from your website's most important content. The other is built from AI-generated responses about your brand. Waikay compares both graphs and gives you a score based on how well they align. The higher the score, the better the AI models understand your brand. Next, you'll see the AI knowledge sources. These are the web pages that AI models refer to when talking about your brand or your competitors. This includes links from your own site and sometimes from third-party sources. This section helps you understand where the AI is pulling its information from and whether those sources are accurate and up to date. Now let's take a look at the AI knowledge map. This is a visual view of the topics AI models associate with your brands and your competitors. Topics in blue are linked to your brand, like ClickUp. Topics in orange or red are linked to your competitors, like Trello or Asana, but not yet your brand. This helps you spot opportunities to expand on your AI visibility. Prefer a more detailed view? Click Show Topic Table to switch from the map to a table. You'll see how many times each topic appears in AI responses for your brand and for competitors. This gives you a quantitative view of your topical presence in LLMs. Finally, at the bottom of the report, you'll see potential AI knowledge gaps. These are important topics that AI models associate with your competitors, but not your brand. If any of these topics are relevant to your business, it's a signal to take action. You can generate a topic report for that subject and get a list of recommendations to improve your brand's visibility in AI-generated answers. We'll dive deeper into topic reports in another video on the Waikay Academy. And that's it. The brand overview report is your starting point to see how your brand is being interpreted by today's top AI models. With just a few insights, you can identify strengths, spot missed opportunities, and start shaping your AI identity. Thanks for watching.